Just got the roof battens going on at the moment. So first of all, you start by putting the roof battens on at 900, and then you've got your fascia that goes on across the front, and then you set your gutters on, and then you put your roof sheeting on. On this house, it's got a corrugated iron, which is a custom wall product, and you can see all the assembly products over here. So putting the fascia and gutters and roofing on a steel frame house is really easy. Comes with all the fascia adapter brackets. So you've got gutter clips, gutter saddles, fascia brackets, and you've got all your screws and fixings here. This is a 150 quad gutter. This is a 150 fascia. All the roof sheetings are under here. So it's a custom walled roof sheet. It's all cut to the right size, so it makes it a lot easier and quicker to put the roof and fascia and gutters on.